In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Nordvpn with its free trial in just a few easy steps. Whether you're looking to enhance your online security or you're ready to explore global content without borders, Nordvpn is a fantastic choice. We'll walk through the process together, ensuring that you get started smoothly and confidently. First, you'll want to head over to the download page for Nordvpn, which is perfectly suited for both Windows PCs and laptops. Simply navigate to nordvpn.com and look for the download section focused on Windows. This is your initial gateway to getting the VPN installed and ready to go. Once you're on the download page, you'll see options specific to Windows users, ensuring full compatibility and performance. Now that you're on the right page, let's proceed to download the application. You'll notice a prominently placed download button on the site. Go ahead and click on it. This action triggers the beginning of the download process for the Nordvpn app. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a moment or two, so feel free to grab a quick cup of coffee while you wait. Once your download is complete, it's time to install the software on your device. Follow the simple on-screen instructions. Most of it follows the usual pattern of clicking Next, accepting terms, and choosing your preferred installation path. If you're familiar with standard software installations on Windows, this should all feel quite intuitive. After successfully installing Nordvpn, you're ready to launch the app. When you do, you'll be prompted to log in or sign up for your Nordvpn account. If you're a new user aiming for a trial, you'll need to create an account, which typically involves providing your email and setting up a password. If you already have an account, just log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, the next step is to connect to VPN. In the application, look for the Connect button. Clicking this will automatically select an optimal server based on your location, providing you with a secure and fast connection. And just like that, you're all set to browse the web securely and anonymously. If the automatic server selection doesn't fit your needs, you can always manually choose a server from the application by selecting a country or a specific server type. This flexibility allows you to tailor your internet experience, whether you're looking to stream content from a particular region or you need enhanced protection for sensitive transactions. And there you have it, folks. Nordvpn is now up and running on your Windows computer, providing the online protection and freedom you were looking for. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Stay safe online and enjoy unrestricted access to the internet. See you next time.